Hello and welcome to this channel, AI Software Engineer. We are in 2025 where AI or artificial intelligence is writing code better than we've done for decades. So on this channel, we explore the different ways you can use AI to build software faster and be more productive. I share insightful projects that are built with AI using the latest technologies and latest models. I publish frequently software tutorials, guides, reviews of new tools, and how to use these tools on a day-to-day basis to improve your software development productivity. It's my hope you are also using AI for your software development, and you're going to find insightful articles on my blog linked below, as well as my videos on how to use AI for software development. You should consider joining our community to help us grow as we explore the different ways we can use AI to write code and improve our productivity. It's definitely going to be a future of where AI is the leading tool when you are creating software. If you are a software engineer who has been using traditional methods to write software, AI presents you with an excellent option for you to upscale or to improve your skill set as well as your productivity. Looking into the future, we are not sure about the job opportunities that will come with software development tools, specifically AI tools. It's likely going to be a huge shift into the way we do our work as software engineers, the way we prototype and build software. So join me in this journey as I explore the different tools on how to code using AI. We're going back to the course of software engineering, where it's not about writing code, it's about planning, architecture, and definitely the whole idea of how to organize your data into a business solution that works for your clients. So if you're looking for insightful videos on how to use AI to prototype, build, and code software at scale or for small and medium enterprises, this channel is definitely a place for you to check out that kind of tutorials and guides on how to use AI for software engineering. Join me in this journey as we explore what we can do with AI for software development using different software development tools. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to show me some support. Thank you.